How to search for a car on Turo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can search for a car on Turo, and this is how to go about it. So the first step is to launch the Turo application on your device, or you can visit the website just like I have done here. So I visited the website, I am brought to the website page. On the first part of the page, you will see a search box. Just go ahead and type out where you're going to. Alright, and then select the time, select the date, select your arrival and your departure, then click on search. Once you click on search, you'll be taken to the page where cars available for that particular location that you're heading to will be displayed. So ensure you enter in the right location, and so you can see different cars here. So check out the ones that suits you. You can decide to make use of the filter option in order for it to filter by price. If you want to filter by price, you can decide to filter by the vehicle type. Okay, you can see different kind of vehicles. You can decide to filter by the make of the vehicle, the years, the seats. Okay, in case you have a child or you're more, the kind of vehicle it is. Just ensure that you select based on the filter. And so once you've seen the one that best suits you, click on it, and you'll be taken to the page where you would see details about that particular car. So as you can see, this is the name of the car, and there are 11 pictures, 11 photos of the car. So you can ensure you check through all of the photos to see if it's something that you really want to rent. And so once you check that, check out the car's description as well. This is very essential. Read through the car description, the features of the car. If you want extras, ensure you check through to see the kind of extras it has, if it's something comfortable for you. And check out the reviews. It's very essential. Check out the reviews to be sure that you are getting the car from a sure person. Okay, and so once you're sure, move to the top right, to the right side of the screen, or to the right side of the screen here, where you can see the trip start and the trip end, the pickup and the return location. Take note of that, and then the discount. Then click on continue. So by clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next stage, and on this stage you would be able to book the car. All right, so just wait for the page to load. So at this stage, you have to get approved to drive if it's your first time. But that is why it's asking me to get approved to drive since it's my first time. So if it's your first time as well, you would have to be approved first of all. So you have to verify your email if you haven't. My email has been verified. Then you have to enter in your mobile number, click on continue, and then you have to upload photo of your driver's license. That is second stage. Okay. And so after uploading photos of your driver's license, then you can select a payment method, make your payment, and then the car would be booked. So that is it. This is basically how you can search for a car on Turo. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.